Hey everyone, it's Darby Riverbend Survival again. I'm going to do a quick video today. We're doing a series this year in 2024 about testing these knives from the Ontario Knife Company. Done a couple of tests already. I don't know where in the release of the videos we're at right now, but we did one where we did the improvements to the knife. So today I decided to save this part for a separate video. You can see that it's been sanded down and it's very dull looking. It's very porous. That's probably a good word for it. So real quick, I'm going to show you the way that I seal wooden scales on knives. You're only going to need a couple of things if you're going to do this. You're going to need some painter's tape. And I just go right along the edge of the knife there and do the edge so that I don't get as much on the metal as normal, or as I would normally. And then I just take a piece and work it around the edge like that, fold it over, and try to leave a little bit sticking up. See, there's a space between the tape and the knife edge, just to make it safe as I'm moving around so I don't nick myself or cut myself. The only other two things you're going to need is a rag. I use these painter's cloths. They seem to do just fine. And then you're going to need boiled linseed oil. You can get it anywhere. I got this from a local hardware store. Take your rag, and you're going to see this goes a long way. Take the rag, put a little linseed oil on it. That's all that's on there. And then just start working it into the handle. Make sure to get all the edges, especially the edges. Let's see, it's going to show on the back, it'll show up here. That's the end grain. So you definitely want to get that. That's going to be the loosest grain on the piece of wood. So just put it on. I put it on fairly liberally. I don't cheat on or chintz on putting it on. Just rub it in. I try to go with the grain. I'll do some circular motions if I see some little low spots or something like that. But I try to go with the grain. Smear it on there. Make sure to get everything, a good coat on it. And that's all there is to it. I can come back later. I'll probably wait 10 or 15 minutes and then come along and put another coat on it. Sometimes I'll put 2 or 3 coats. It's really dependent on the wood and how much it soaks up. Some wood soaks up a lot, some doesn't. This hickory, it's going to soak up some. And I can tell you it's going to soak up some because I'm already rubbing the next layer in where I can see that it's already gotten dull, where it's soaked that oil into it. But the whole point of this, of course, is it's just to protect the wood. That's all it's for. Seal up the wood, protect the wood, stop it from splitting, cracking, dry rotting, those kind of things. So next time you have a wooden a knife with wooden scales on it, and you notice they're getting dry or cracked, I would recommend, I personally do my wooden handles every year for my bushcrafting knives. Actually, I do my kitchen knives too, because they're all old hickory knives, but I do them every year. I just do it, just takes a couple of minutes and you're done. So remember, take care of your gear. Get out in the woods and have some fun. Thanks.